Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the lower unit oil on your lower unit of your Yamaha 300 outboard engine. So today is maintenance day and we're going to go ahead and change the lower unit oil, and to do so all you need are these tools, a couple of very simple hand tools, Allen keys, flathead screwdriver, some YamaLube gearcase oil, some gloves, and a rag. Super simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Let's go check it out. Alright, first we're going to start by taking our Allen key, and there's a little screw. See it. It's right in there. That'll loosen up. Take this off, like that. Set that. Alright, then you'll go to this side. Pull this piece off. Set this over here. Alright, so now what we're going to do, slide this under your lower unit. So this is going to catch all the lower unit oil, the stuff that we're draining out. Obviously you don't want that going everywhere. Any old, oil pan, bucket, anything really. This is from when I changed the oil on my truck. This will work just fine. And as you'll see here, we're going to use our flathead screwdriver. I told you guys this is super easy. Some people are afraid to work on their own outboard engines. It's simple. So look, check it out. There's a screw here. That's going to be our drain screw. Screw here, and that's going to let us know that's going to be our overfill screw. So that's going to know when we have enough oil in the lower unit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab the screwdriver. I'm going to loosen this bottom one first. Get that screw out of the way. It's got a little magnet attached to it, and that'll catch any little debris, metal debris from the new gears. This is actually a new lower unit. This was just replaced by Yamaha under warranty. So what we have to do is change the lower unit oil on here after just 10 hours. So that's what we're doing. That's why we're only doing one, not both. Normally you would do both at the same time, and I may even still do this one just because, do it a little early so they're on the same schedule. So let's take a look here. Alright, got my flathead screwdriver. And I'm going to need a larger flathead screwdriver. That one does not have enough leverage. Just a moment. There we go. Alright. Got a bigger screwdriver here. Alright, spin that off. Just like that. See all of that? You can see this is a new lower unit. So all the shavings and all the new gears all get collected right there. So we're going to set this right here. And now, after we undo this one, you'll notice it starts to drip down here. What I like to do is start to trim the engine up a little bit, making sure to move your catch pan so that it doesn't drain all over the place. That way it allows all the oil to drain. It's in the gear case up here. Allows it to drain down. So you'll notice on the bolts that you just took out, they'll have these little washers on them. Now you want to replace those because those will go bad. Look like this. They're just little gaskets. Make sure no oil, no water gets into the lower unit through that entrance where the screw goes into. So this is just about finished draining. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes, and then I'll show you how to pump in the new oil, how to know when there's enough, and we'll get it buttoned back up, and that's it. Super simple. I told you guys it was super easy. Alright, as you can see, it's just about done. Oil has been emptied. You're gonna need a pump with this fitting on it, and this fitting will allow you to screw it in to the bottom of your lower unit here. Alright, so, and this is our YamaLube gearcase lube. Alright, once you have it screwed in here, and this bolt here is still out, you're going to start slowly pumping it in. And what we're waiting for is we're going to wait until it starts to trickle out here where there's no more bubbles. You're also going to want to have a rag readily available, which I do. You'll see here, it's starting to come out. I'm just going to give a little, just a half, maybe a quarter pump on this, just to make sure there's no air bubbles. Means we're nice and full. Go ahead and attach your oil level screw. This here. And go ahead and tighten that on. That's on there. I like to just put this back underneath. Now you won't get much spillage right here, but I just like to put it there just in case. Because remember, we put this screw in here, and without any air able to circulate into this bottom here, it really won't drip very much. But add an oil to that. See how that's not really dripping? A little came out, that was just from the end of this hose. Now it doesn't really leak without this screw being taken out. Don't forget to replace your little washer on the end of your screw. Tighten it up. Move it up. And then came up. Go ahead and grab your pieces. Go back in down here. And that's it, guys. Whew, it's hot out here. I told you, really super simple. And that's how you change the lower unit oil on your Yamaha. I believe it's from the 200 all the way up to the 350. It's the same for all. It might even be the same for less horsepower. Again, I'm not sure, but I do know for sure that it is very easy, very simple. Get out there, go ahead and go give it a shot yourself. No sense in paying someone when you can do it all on your own. I know you can do it with the help of this video. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Talk to you guys later.